In the Udu local government area, there have been a whole lot of projects across the different communities in that local government. The DSC flyover is one of the major flyovers we are undertaking in this administration and have redefined the skyline of Warri, Uwe, Udu, and its environs. Udu Harbour Market in Udu local government is costing this government as much as 4.8 billion naira. That market has 122 lock-up shops and 108 open shops. That brings to a total of 230 shops. In Udu, as a government, we are undertaking the rehabilitation and resurfacing of CAC Road off Oruoru Road in Udu local government area. That particular road has an award length of 1.360 kilometer, and it has associated drain of 1.460 kilometer. Bezi Road off College Road, Alaja in Udu local government area. Award length is 1 kilometer. Associated drain 2 kilometer. The rehabilitation of Ekabamre, Ekrokbe, Usiefron, Uruon Road in Ugili South and Udu local government area. Opete Road from DSC Expressway by Plantation City to Opete Waterside in Udu local government area. Length of this road is 4.7 kilometer. The drain is 9.4 kilometer. Arode Street in Awodi Lane in Ohio Town, also in Udu local government area. That particular project is 1 kilometer and the drain length is 1.40 kilometer. Dickney Street off Oruoru Road to link Ekiti Waterside Road in Udu local government area. Award length is 0.48 kilometer, which is 480 meters, and then the drain length is also 0.48 kilometer. Chief Godwin Okporoko Crescent in Opete, also in Udu local government area. Award length is 590 meters, and it has associated drain of 500 meters. Arawanre Avenue in DSC Town, Udu local government area. Award length is 0.63 kilometer, which is 630 meters, and then the drain is also 0.63 kilometers. Chief Godwin Okporoko Crescent Phase 2, also in Opete, in Udu local government, is also ongoing. That particular road is 500 meters, and the drain is also 500 meters. Asphalt overlay of Alaja Obijo Road in Udu local government and Warri Southwest. The length is 3.2 kilometer, and the drain is 2.25 kilometer. That is phase 1. The phase 2 of it, we also briefed you not long ago, was also approved by ESCO. It's undergoing the process of procurement, which means that the contractors are bidding, and in about a couple of days from now, the issue of opening the bid. That particular road has been approved in Udu, and the length is 2.36 kilometer, and the drain is 4.7